In my old age, I'll remember your face, even when time takes its place. The love we shared, the way we would dream, I'll hold it close like it's still me. The years will come, but I'll stay the same, like the first time we whispered your name. In my old age, I'll still love you the most. Through every storm, through every cold, I'll carry your heart through the test of time. In my old age, you'll still be mine. The lines on my face, they tell our story. The pain, the joy, the simple glory. Even when the world starts to fade, you're the love I'll always trade. The years will come, but I'll stay the same, like the first time we whispered your name. In my old age, I'll still love you the most. Through every storm, through every cold, I'll carry your heart through the test of time. In my old age, you'll still be mine. And when my eyes start to fade, I'll still feel you like we've always made. In my old age, I'll still love you the most. Through every storm, through every cold, I'll carry your heart through the test of time. In my old age, you'll still be mine. In my old age, you'll still be mine.